Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would love to say it's really, really good to see you. It's great to be back out. I love it. I'm much happier out here than on Zoom. My name is Dennis Dix. I'm a co-founder and CEO of Jayde. Jayde is a digital direct solution that enables the sale of small commercials. So basically, business insurance. My co-founder and I actually built Cerity.com, which is a direct-to-consumer platform for work comp. We built that for employers. The problem was it was a monoline solution for work comp, and we envisioned a solution that would be able to deliver a complete and total package to small business in a very simple and easy way, and that became the genesis for Jayde. When we applied to the GIA, we were very, very clear through the application process that this was an idea. Something that we really, really believe in, but it's really just an idea. It's a vision, and I want to share with you some of our beliefs and some of our ideas to help you understand exactly what we're trying to do and why we're trying to do it. So first of all, we believe that small commercial is a huge market. The way we define small commercial, which is really 25 employees or less. It's a $100+ billion market opportunity, more than 30 million businesses in the US, and it's growing. In fact, in 2020, more than 4 million new businesses were formed. But unfortunately, when you go talk to those small businesses, they're very confused. They find insurance to be incredibly confusing. It's another tax. It's difficult to acquire. But when you talk to the existing small businesses, you find that roughly 40% of them are underinsured. And they have a similar sentiment, although it's a little bit different, and it looks like this. They think insurance is valuable, but I don't understand the product, I'm not sure how to obtain it, and I think it's too expensive. So if you think about the products, most people can't differentiate between general liability, professional liability, D&O, E&O, all these endorsements and add-ons to a policy. People don't understand. They're also not sure how to obtain it. I know I have auto insurance. Do I call my personal lines agent? Right? Can they help me with my business insurance? They also believe it's too expensive because they don't understand the value proposition of the underlying product. What does it cover? What do I need? They don't understand the value. We also believe that most small business owners, those 4 million businesses that were created in 2020, they want to purchase online. A lot of debate about the shift to direct, but when you talk to them, they want to purchase online. In fact, we did a study with PwC. 71% of small business owners says, I would like to purchase online, and I would prefer to purchase as a bundle. Only 3% of premium is sold digitally today. So the question is why? Why is there such a huge gap between what people want and what people do? Why? Well, we believe the current direct landscape sucks. I apologize if anybody works for these carriers, but we have a friend who started a business right here in Des Moines. She asked for help. She needed insurance, so we did an inventory. We tried to buy insurance for her small business online. We went to these 6 places. We weren't able to get a quote from any of them. Most of them were very, very confusing. She didn't understand the language. She didn't know what she needed to buy. In fact, several of them suggested she needed work comp, despite not having any employees. One of them said commercial auto, even though she doesn't have a car. We weren't able to get a quote from any of them. We ended up doing what most small businesses do. They abandon the digital experience, they find a local agent, and they make a phone call. We believe that this market's going to grow. It's about $100 billion today, 3% digital. Novarica suggests that this number is going to increase to about 12% by 2025. So that creates a $9 billion market opportunity for a carrier who's positioned to take advantage of this shift to the digital market. We also believe technology isn't the only answer, which is probably a strange thing for an insurtech to say. But what we mean by this is people are looking for simple solutions, right? And it's very, very difficult. We have a lot of debate with some of our friends in the insurance world about data and pre-fill, right? That's the answer. A 27 variable predictive model is more valuable than a 25 variable predictive model. But at the end of the day, when the business was formed 3 days ago, how are you going to pre-fill that information into the application? What people are looking for is a simple solution. So what we're building is based on simplicity, modeled coverage. You tell me what you do, you tell me where you do it, I tell you exactly what you need to protect your business. We use simple language, no complexity. We keep all of the insurance lexicon and jargon away from the consumer. And we use portfolio pricing. What this means in sort of simple terms, think of this as guaranteed rates for life insurance. We put that all together. You tell me what you do, you tell me where you do it. We tell you what products you need. We put one number on the glass. That number is bindable. You put your credit card in, you're done. When you have questions, you call us. There may be multiple carriers underneath. There may be multiple policies underneath. But from the consumer's perspective, they have one throat to choke, one call to make. One of the other things we hear a lot about is channel conflict, right? I'm a carrier, I can't go direct, I'm gonna irritate my existing agents. We envision a world where direct and agents coexist. If you think about what we did with our friend, we tried to purchase digitally, we gave up, we called an agent. That agent is not out hunting for $2,000 business. We know this. They're gathering that business. But if you want to be a hunter, if you want to have embedded solutions, we heard about some of those earlier, if you want to have digital advertising and affiliate marketing programs, you've got to be more progressive. You've got to have a different attitude when you go to market. There's 3 ways that change happens, right? Done for, done with, done to. Nobody's going to do this for the industry. The industry has to change. The industry has to recognize that consumers want to purchase this way and that it's currently too complicated. If we don't do that, somebody's going to do it for us, right? How long before Amazon Business Prime decides that embedded insurance is the right answer and they put it in their monthly subscription? So what we'd like to do is partner with carriers. Let's do this together, done with. Let's find a solution and bring it to market. With all of that said, here's our vision. Let's make purchasing small business insurance as easy as one-click shopping on Amazon.com. If you share our vision, if you believe what we believe, if you think that the future is digital, and that you're interested in helping these small and micro businesses, I would encourage you to reach out. I'd love to talk more. Thank you for your time. It's great to see you.